Today, it is really not easy to choose the right headphones for yourself. There are hundreds of options on the market, some good, some bad, some expensive, some cheap. You really have to come up with your list and want what you're looking for one. When I started my search, I wanted something durable, great sounding, reasonably priced, and easy to carry. I came across the OneOdio brand online, and while it's not a popular brand, I did get my requirements met and surprised. OneAudio is a hidden popular brand that offers many low-priced DJ headphones on Amazon. Low-priced headphones are valued for their stable build quality and usability. On their sound quality is powerful and tends to be favored by low-range enthusiasts. This time I will review Pro 50 DJ Studio headphones. This product belongs to OneAudio mainstream lineup, the Pro series, and features a powerful sound with a large 50mm driver, frequency response 20 to 30 Hz, impedance 22 ohm, sensitivity 110 decibels, standard or slightly better quality package for this price range. Got the book with the basic instructions on it, use and features. Comes with two types of connectivity cables and carrying bag. It came with a nice long and red headphone cable. The cable is also quite partly generally cut in length, but you can stretch it if you need extra length. The cable has two different ends, a 3.5mm jack on the one end and a 6.3mm jack on the other. It came with a carrying case that feels really premium. It had made of thick material. It does lend some protection, especially from scratches, while you will have your headphones in your bag. To be honest, it's not premium, it feels like plastic. It's made of most plastic. The only metal I noticed was strengthened to the headband. Being plastic, however, has big advantages. The headphones are very light. The cups make up for it feeling cheap, as they are very soft and comfortable on the ears. It is over-ear cup style and works very and drawing out noise. The cups feel like lighter. I think it's probably plastic leather, but they do feel great on the ear and comfortable. OneAudio does offer replacement cups via their website. Regardless, the design looks sleek. I got the matte black with red trimming. It looks way better than it feels, and I made my basic requirements. I can fold well for storage. It has 108 degrees cup rotation. You can turn one cup out while you have on it. I can swirl 100 degrees so you can adjust for comfort. The headband is adjustable for fit a wide variation of head sizes. Thus, even though it feels cheap, it is very modular to adjust and make comfortable for your preference and easy to store. The best thing about this headphone, in my view, however, it is the detachable cable connection. Not only you have one ear cup with a port for average 3.5mm jack, but the second ear cup also has a port for 6.3mm jack. This is perfect for DJs, as I means for the connection and cable to our headphones. It also makes the headphone cable it comes with reversible. You can use it with the phone and laptops by connecting 6.3mm side to your headphones and 3.5mm to device. And then you can DJ with connecting the 3.5mm to the headphone and 6.3mm to the device. It impressed me how well balanced the sound was. The weight and the presence of depth in low range are unlikely to be expanded with earphones at the same price range. It is a headphone that attacks bass enthusiasts who wants a realistic sound, and it can be said that it's just like a DJ. It has a bold and constructive sound as a whole and gives you a fulfilling sound. It leans a little to low range, which is also heavily biased in the deep low range, but the energy of the high range is also balanced, so the whole music is not buried in the profound feeling of the low range. The sound is slightly early at high pitches and can be hard extending. It impressed me how well balanced the sound was. I concluded for the sound quality was great. For 52 headphone, what is the record price? I really can't stop recommending that you buy this if you need the big headphones. The feel, the design, the sound, the functionality gives you way more than you pay. These are headphones for are comfortable to wear, easy to carry and have a powerful and comfortable sound quality. The low range it is a little stronger, so you may like it, but if you like a heavy shaped sound, it is a model worth considering as their price range. The overall build quality is also quite good and I definitely recommend it. OneOdio has fascinated me with this product. They are definitely the best buy in a budget. The official buying links are below in the description and in the comments below in the video. Thanks for being with us, share your more available opinion and the feedback in the comment sections down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for further updates in upcoming videos. Bye.